Hello, today I'm going to present my research about comparative analysis of data mining classification technique to predict hotel reservation cancellation. Hotel cancellation significantly affect revenue, yet many decisions are still made based on institution-rated data. Data mining could help uncover hidden information to improve decision making. This research is focused on data mining classifier techniques to build predictive models. Vega, a free data analysis tool, is used to compare algorithms. Preparation of data. We use 21 databases for the University of California for analysis in Vega. Algorithms use Bayesian network, Hill-Klimber decision tree, and key nearest neighbor with k-valuate 1, 5, 10, 20. Process loads the database, runs the tree algorithm across 21 databases. Obtain the percentage of correct classification for each algorithm and database. All the results are summarized from the percentage of correct classification of instance. C4.5 shows the highest percentage of correct classification. Application. We aim to predict cancellation with different algorithms and super strategy to minimize the impact. In this case, both the G48 and KNA algorithm effectively reduce the chance of cancellation, demonstrate their success in this task. C4.5 archives the guesses accordant of lowest variance, making it the best predictor. We recommend using C4.5 for novel extraction in the hospital industry to develop decision-making tools. Vega simplifies this process and free software offers flexibility for customizing. Future research will be focused on changing processing and exploring other algorithms. Thank you for your attention.